Hello. In the continuation with the previous class, so this class we are going to discuss about that interaction with physical components. So, what is the physical components? So, what is the relationship between these physical components to the UI and UX? So, people first clearly know about that. So, we are focusing on the UI and UX design. So, the design already we have many times we are insisting and we are providing insights to the you about the design. So design thinking, so we are the design thinker, so we are going to approach our concept on design thinking based approach, project based learning, and then product based execution. So these things we are going to concentrate. So we are seeing our topic and we are executing the things in different manner. So now enter into the topic, interaction with physical components. So can you guess? So in this picture, so it is the one of the platform in the what is that, either system or mobile is that. So the user interface is the sensitive, so that is that system, that user interface. So these thing we are going to create each and every components. So we are going to tangible and we are going to touch the physical component. Okay, that physical component signals are transformed into the commands and the executed in the virtually. So evaluation of the user interface in continuation with the previous one. So why we have mentioned in this slide is there, so people get idea about that. So where we are in that and where we are going to take in the part of that. So today computers and smartphones are predominating globally. So to make it easy for humans to interact with objects and technology, the development and rapid evolution of user interface design and become essential and successful. Okay. So now interaction with the physical component. So this picture indicated that AR VR technology. Thanks for this technology. So people nowadays move into this technology and they are realizing and enjoying this technology with their experience and all. So physical or emotional between the person and product or service. So here, so physical is the, we are the human, we have a hand, we are going to touch to the virtual display. So our emotional or our thoughts have been transformed into the digitally, and these digital transformation, either we are using the product or service. So for example, we are taking the product like AR VR technology. So the picture is a particular person wearing this technology, so it's like a product. Okay, so this product we are experiencing about what is the product is available, what is the use of the product, so what is the cost of the product, so what is the components available in the product. So these things we are going to analyze on the product, and service about that, what are the service they are going to provide and what is the experience we are gained. So these things in this slide is mentioning about that. And next one is that visual design. Yes, so this topic is very interesting one, because we have prepared our presentation and we are going to explanation, providing explanation. So among that, how we can provide the visualization. For example, the film is there, so many people act as a director and they are going to do storytelling, and who is create the visually and who is providing the storytelling, what is that, without boring or creativity, and it create interest and all. So that is very important. Okay, so colors, fonts, images, illustration, icons and other graphics are some type of the building blocks of the visual design. Okay, so UX design. So now we are enter into the UX design. So what is that UX design? So people already we know about that. So we are design thinker, so we are going to approach the part of empathy. So empathy, instead of that, some of the people, so they how to start the project and where we can start is that, but we are the design thinker, so we have empathy part and we can start doing the empathy part. So once we have completed the empathy part, almost 90 percentage problem has been solved. Okay, so good UX design is not only accessible and usable but also efficient and enjoyable to the user. Okay, the last thing of this presentation, what is UI design and UX design, what is interaction design and visual design, what is the key difference are there. So UI design is their user interface, so based on the product we can provide the experience, and UX is that we are utilizing the product and we can create it, the design and all. So interaction design and visual design, so interaction between the user, so visually we have provided the various components and all. And this is the assessment of is that, so you can take it as the assignment, and it's for your experimental and all. So okay, thank you so much.